Hello everyone, and we're going to read a book titled Summer. You should have received this book in your packet for weeks 1 and 2, and it is a book that we will be using for the first 2 weeks of summer school for our reading instruction. So in this video, I'm going to read this book aloud. If you need any help with anything or if you have any questions, please feel free to reach out. So let's go ahead and read this book. So the title of our book is Summer. In the summer, I build. In the summer, I garden. In the summer, I bat. In the summer, I skip. In the summer, I explore. In the summer, I ride. In the summer, I swim. In the summer, I have fun.